Hi, this is Nick with DataSpot Pro, and today we're going to be walking you through how to use reporting templates in DataSpot Pro. So I'm going to go ahead here and just log into DataSpot Pro, into my account. And the first thing you're going to need to be able to use reports is to have your accounts already connected to the platform. So if you go into accounts, you should see that you've got Amazon, Google, or various different accounts already connected. That means that your data is already being loaded into the data warehouse that DataSpot Pro provides. That stuff's loaded every day, so your data should be fresh. Then you can go to the Reports tab, and in here we're going to have links to various different reporting templates. So DataSpot Pro is designed for you to be able to create any custom report you want using standard BI tools like Google Data Studio, Tableau, Power BI, or others. But we've got some templates here to get you started. So if you click on one of the pictures below, that'll bring you actually into Google Data Studio. This will load up the template with sort of fake template data. So you'll kind of look in here and you can kind of see if this is the right template for you. And if it is, go ahead and click the Copy the Report button in the top right corner. This is going to go ahead and copy it into your personal Google account. And when this first loads up, you're going to see that there's not going to be any data in here. It's just going to say see details everywhere and that there's no data set access. This just means that you need to connect it to your own data warehouse. To do that, it's pretty easy. Just click on Resources and then click on Manage Added Data Sources. In here, there's going to be at least one, but maybe several data sources. Each one of these, you'll just need to click Edit and add in your own credentials. So currently it's set up to connect to the template database, and the password isn't in there when you copy it, so that's why you got those warnings. So you're just going to go ahead back to DataSpot Pro into your databases and take the credentials that are in here and just copy and paste them in. So it's pretty straightforward. You're going to copy in the host. The port should already be the same. Go ahead and copy in the database name. Then you can copy in your username. And your password. And this is going to connect this report to your own data. So you'll click Authenticate, and then you're going to go ahead and click Reconnect on the top right. Go ahead and click Apply. And now it's going to show you the data source and all of the fields that are in that data source. The only thing to do here is just click the Done button in the top right corner. And then click Close. And here you should see the report template, including all of your data from your account. Thanks for using DataSpot Pro.